Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Since we've already pretty much finished everything performance-wise to the Mustang, throttle body, intake, long tube headers, exhaust, we do have a little bit of things we got to do to it. And now that we're basically done under the hood, it's time to focus on how this thing actually looks. So I went ahead and ordered a rear spoiler. I have a front splitter coming. I do have some reflectors too that I have ordered for this side because whoever had it had blacked it out, and same thing as the third brake light. And I do want to get this emblem out the way, but this car has been painted black. It used to be red before, so I'm gonna try to find a little deck lid I can get, or see if I can't wrap this whole little thing right here, or see what I'm gonna do with that. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and start putting that rear spoiler on. It's a GT500 spoiler, got off Amazon. It was probably about like 70 bucks, but it's gonna make it look so much better. So let's get to it. All right guys, so to remove the spoiler, it's just a 10mm. It's fairly easy. But yeah, we're gonna replace these, which I think you have to do it from the trunk, I believe. I don't know. And the same with the third brake light. So I don't have the third brake light yet, so that'll be here in a little bit. Pops off just like that. We'll have to clean this off just a little bit. But yeah, man, this thing looks so much different without that spoiler. It just looks so weird now. Oh, I don't think I like that look at all. But this needs to go. I need a red one. I used to have too much of the taillights. I'm not really the big fan of when people like black out stuff like this. I don't know, I like it. Everything kind of OEM, but like not OEM, if that makes sense. But clean it off a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on there and see what it looks like. Oh, here's the difference between the two. I'm definitely gonna paint this, but I think I'm gonna mount it and see how it looks without it. Cause I know the front splitter is not gonna be painted, it's gonna be this color, so we'll have to see it. So it's gonna obviously sit a lot better than that. Oh yeah, baby, that's way better. It's definitely gonna have to be black. I do kind of wish it was a little bit taller, but that's pretty good if you ask me. It's obviously gonna sit more down, but I mean that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it just like this, kind of just spray it and wipe it down and see how I really like it, because the Mustang is dirty. And we also got to figure out how we're gonna change that. I don't know how to change it, so we're just gonna have to figure it out. But yeah, that's definitely gonna have to be black though. I definitely like that look better. It's a little different. I like it better. So let's get the hardware, because it came with hardware, and let's just mount it. All right, it's mounted. I didn't peel the 3M tape because I am gonna paint this, but I think it looks a lot better. And when I have like the red reflectors and third brake light, I'll just kind of tie it together. It does look a little different, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it looks good, especially when it gets painted. Yeah, I really like it. Mounts up pretty good. A little bit of gap right there. That's just how it is though, you know. I think this one might be, I think this gap right here is a little bit smaller than this one. Yeah, I mean it's not shut all the way though. Let me shut it. Yeah, gap's just a little bit bigger, but I don't think that trunk goes all the way down on this side. I don't know, it's a little bit different, but I definitely like the look a lot better. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to it though. It's just a little different, you know. I feel like it's a little smaller than I wanted, but I still like it. I still like it a lot better than that one. I think it'll look way better when I paint it. But yeah, let's see if we can get these reflectors popped out. I'm not sure if the bumper has to come off or if I go from the inside right there. So yeah, the front splitter hasn't came in yet, but I'll obviously need a new bumper sometime soon, so it's just kind of temporary fix. But I'm keeping the front splitter. I'm thinking about painting the middle of it and keeping the sides like a different color. kind of match the grill and the plastic trim. But you know, overall this spoiler looks pretty good. Definitely needs to be painted, but like I said, let's get these done. Alright guys, so I changed this side and it looks a way better. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works, but I probably have to order a different aftermarket one if I'm being completely honest. It might look different at night, but when it's on right here, it just lights up that little corner. Like I want it to light the whole thing up. I should have knew that, but I mean, it'd be all right. I went and got these LED things. I'm probably gonna return them because they were like 45 bucks. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this side though. So basically you kind of just get this little thing right here and just pop it out or pop it inside, and then just kind of wiggle that reflector out or pop it out. I use the flathead, so yeah, I just kind of got a flathead and kind of just pop it out like that. You can do however you want, whatever works for you. So go ahead and pop it out real quick. So you can see where that little thing popped out, and you can, I just got a flathead and yeah, I'll pop it out in this corner because that's where that thing's at. But basically it's pretty simple. Just twist it off and pulls out. But yeah, look at this. This ain't good at all. So out with the old and with the new. Let's go. Oh, gotta put that little LED thing in. Just like that. Goes off, and there we go. You can see where they did like a bad job on painting this stuff. Yeah, makes it look so much better. You can barely see that light. So we do gotta replace that third brake light, but yeah, slowly but surely everything's starting to look a little bit better. I am gonna have to order a different set, I believe, because I want it to have LED all the way across, you know. So with that being said, we're waiting on the third brake light and the front splitter, and we do gotta paint this, but I'm painting it off camera. So yeah, so next time you see me, we'll be installing that third brake light and front splitter, and they'll both be painted. So yeah. All right guys, I know it's been a while. Well, for me it has. I got the wing painted and I put it on, and for some reason that sun kind of cooked it and really like made it like super like wavy, because inside this is hollow, you know. It's I mean, it matches and whatnot, but that's the only kind of downside to it. I haven't put the front splitter on yet, but I did paint the corner pieces to match this right here, and then this will be, you know, like that in the middle. But yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and install it, get right back with y'all. And then we do have something coming on the way. We have clear turn signals. These are all janky and about to fall off. And then I believe that might be it for the cosmetic besides the cowl hood, but that cowl hood's later down the line. I thought about getting some little vents, or like not a kind of like a louver, but not right there, just right here, a little vent or whatever. Got the signal lights, they're red. Third brake light on, I did install that too. The Mustang is looking way better. The paint is terrible though. This was I rattle can this, and it looks about the same as this, you know. Maybe the camera might pick it up a little different, but these waves, they're really ruining it. And I guess there's fingerprints on it now. I probably gotta wash it. But yeah, I think since it's hollow, I think that sun just really cooked it, because the sun hasn't been out in a while. But no, I'm gonna go ahead and install that, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right boys, everything is pretty much done, even though this spoiler is literally on my nerves. Like, I just don't know why it's all like warped. I mean, it's hollow inside, and it probably got really hot, like the sun, I don't know, temperature change. But the front splitter looks really good. Truck looks good still, but there you go. It doesn't really fit the best. You're gonna have to kind of mess with it, But no, I can't. Once I get a cow hood, it'll just really throw this Mustang together, because now it's like the hood is not like aggressive, but the front end's aggressive, like the front bumper. But you get close, this is all kind of whatnot. I am gonna get some 3M tape or something and put it across this bottom piece, and I'm gonna put it on like that. But I might even try to throw a glue or even a bolt through here, because I really do not want this front splitter falling off. You know, I mean, it's on there good, but when you're going 100 and say like 130, it's gonna fall off. So really gonna have to see what's going on with that. And that little screw right here broke, so that's another deal. But you know, other than like all the little minor stuff, and there used to be a bunch of paint chips, y'all used to see it. I just kind of hit a little can over it, you know. Overall, the Mustang's looking way better though. I think that middle part was a good call on just only painting this and leaving this. Like once this is cleaned up, not dirty, it'll just be all one color, you know. All that matte really throws it together. But no, that lip's kind of perfect. Not looking, but how I kind of imagine it. But the new hood will really throw it together. Maybe louvers on the, not louvers on the back, but on the side window maybe. But you know, other than like that little minor stuff and the paint looking terrible and this all warped, if I had the GT500 rims on it, which are back there, if I had those on it, it'd really throw all this Mustang together. It'd be almost complete. So I know this video might be all over the place, but I apologize guys, been kind of busy. But I hope this video kind of turns out good with all the clips I have kind of thrown together. I'm waiting on those clear turn signals, so just got to call that good for today. So like and subscribe, comment below what you think, and see ya.